মিথ্যে কথা। বাংলায় শুধু অনুপ্রবেশকারী, কাশ্মীরে নাকি নেই। তাই যদি সত্যি হয় বন্ধু, একটা কথার উত্তর চাই, পহেলগাঁও তাহলে কি আপনারা করলেন? দিল্লিতে কিছুদিন আগে যে ঘটনা ঘটে গেল, অনুপ্রবেশকারী বাংলা ছাড়া কোথাও নেই, তাহলে কি আপনারা করলেন? যত দোষ বাংলা, এই রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলা। একজন দুঃশাসন এসছেন বাংলায়, ভোট আসলে দুর্যোধন আর দুঃশাসনরা আসেন। বাংলায় নাকি 1.5 কোটি লোকের নাম বাদ যাবে। কেন? যারা সারা জীবন বাংলায় থেকেছে, বাংলায় তারা ভোটার, রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলার দল। আগের বার এসে বলেছিল ইসবার 200 পার হয়ে গেছে, পগার পার। আর এবার করছে এসআইআর। এত মানুষের মৃত্যু, এখনো পর্যন্ত 58 থেকে 60 জন মানুষ মারা গেছে।
ममता जी के पास से और कोई अपेक्षा रख नहीं सकते। उनके खिलाफ जजमेंट आएगा तो जुडिशियरी बीजेपी की है, इलेक्शन कमीशन घुसपैठिया हटाएगा, एसआईआर लाएगा तो इलेक्शन कमीशन बीजेपी का है। वो हारने के बाद शायद ऐसा कही कि मेरे कार्यकर्ता ही बीजेपी में चले गए।
And now we have my colleague Sabyasachi joining us live on the broadcast. For more, Sabya, talk to us. This is a fierce face-off, and clearly election season has come into full swing with this face-off in West Bengal.
Well, that's right. See, both the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as the Trinamool Congress are all set to go in the poll mood, and from January itself, we are going to see very strong movement from both the political parties. And Union Home Minister Amit Shah is on a 3-day visit in the state of West Bengal. Yesterday also, he held a closed-door meeting with the state leadership where the messaging from the Union Home Minister was very much clear that winning the poll in the state of West Bengal should be the only goal for the state leadership. Now today, while addressing a press conference, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, in fact, told that the state of West Bengal is lacking behind whether if you talk about development, infrastructure, and he also pointed out what are the issues that the state is currently facing because of infiltration, because of lack of job opportunities, infrastructural development. In fact, he pointed out that how several of the Trinamool Congress leaders are currently behind bars facing corruption cases. Several scams had been come up against the Trinamool Congress, and how the Trinamool Congress have been doing appeasement politics time and again. Now, the messaging from Home Minister has been very much clear that to bring back the past glory of the state of West Bengal, it is very important for the people of West Bengal to vote the Bharatiya Janata Party into power. And this would be the first time that Union Home Minister Amit Shah, in fact, pointed out how the voting share of the Bharatiya Janata Party has been increased over the years. So the Bharatiya Janata Party is hopeful that they are going to win a 2/3 majority this time when the state go for polls. Whereas on the other hand, Mamata Banerjee labelled Union Home Minister Amit Shah as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi as Duryodhana and Dusashana, and Mamata Banerjee clearly told that if all the infiltration are happening in the state of West Bengal, then who actually carried out the attack in Pahalgam, who carried out the attack in the national capital? So the war of words is only going to escalate going forward. Back to you.